everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 655 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my November Ipsy Glam Bags. This one is from my Ultimate box and it's the Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter. Satiny pink complexion highlighter. This was probably one of the products that I was most excited about from my Glam Bag Ultimate box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that linked down below. But I love the brand Benefit, but I haven't tried out that many products. This here is like a classic product, but I've never tried it before, so I'm really excited to have it now. This packaging is really cute. It has like subtle shimmer to it. Supermodel in a bottle is what it says right under the top of the box here. So I just compared the size on the Ulta website, and this is the full-size product, which retails for $18. The packaging on this is cute. Let me go ahead. Oh, I love that it has a doe foot applicator. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this pearlescent rose color. Is that how they're describing it? Let me just see how this blends out. Oh my gosh, that is really beautiful. Like, it has such a pretty reflection. I know it's not showing up that well on my hand right now on camera, but that looks really, really pretty. So it says you can wear this underneath your makeup or on top of your makeup. This, I mean, I would try wearing it underneath my makeup, but it's not super like shimmery, dewy, radiant that I think it would do much underneath my makeup. So I already applied my foundation, so I'm going to try the method of applying this on top of makeup because that's how I apply my highlighters anyways. And if I were to wear this as a highlighter, I would wear it on top of makeup. But I also love the texture of this. Like, it's dried down, but it's not sticky. It doesn't really fade away. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna start out by applying a few dots to my cheekbones, and we'll blend that out and start with that. I'm gonna try blending it out with my finger to start, but I'll see if I want to end up using any makeup tools. Ooh. This is blending out really easily with my finger. I'm really liking this effect because it's just adding like dewiness to my skin and making it look really healthy and hydrated and radiant. But this doesn't have like shimmer sparkle, which I actually really like this type of highlighter that doesn't have that shimmer sparkle, because this in real life I think just looks more natural, healthy. And I'm going to watch my boyfriend do his country acoustic gig tonight at a local restaurant. So I'm not trying to be like an over-the-top, shimmery, dramatic highlighter. Like, I just want this to look pretty, healthy, natural type of glow. And I feel like that's exactly what this is giving me. But this is also the kind of glow to my skin that I want every day, to just look like I'm very healthy and radiant. So this amount here, I love it. I think this looks so good. But let's see what happens if I layer up some more. And I'm happy to just blend this out with my finger. I think that's the way to go with this. And what I'm really impressed by is that it looks fantastic on top of the foundation. It's not moving the foundation, lifting it at all, which can definitely happen with liquid highlighters, but this goes perfectly on top and it's not sticky. Like, I can't get over how perfectly natural it feels on the skin too. So that, I mean, it builds up a little bit, but not that much. It's kind of like once you have that radiance to the skin, it doesn't really build up in color really, and it's not really building up in sparkle because it's more just adding that shine to the face. Oh, I love it. So look at that difference. With it, without it. Like this side, it looks like my cheekbone is higher. It looks like my skin is very moisturized. So I just love how this looks. It seriously is impressing me so much. I also talk about how I have large pores, especially along like my cheeks here. And this is not emphasizing any texture. It looks so smooth. So seriously an amazing formula. Okay, I'm really excited to just go ahead and add the rest of the highlighting and glow to my face. So I can add quite a bit there. This doesn't seem like the type of liquid highlighter formula that dries down really quickly, where it's like you dot it on and you have to act fast or else you won't be able to blend it out. So that's really nice, but I also still kind of just want to do one little section at a time. And then this says it works great for highlighting the brow bone. So I definitely want to try that out too. So pretty. It does. It looks perfect as a brow bone highlight. Like the effect of this, I really feel like it's like bringing up my cheekbones, emphasizing my brow bones. It does such a great job of highlighting, where in like the artistic sense of highlighting, where you want to like bring something forward with a highlight. So, wow. I can't stop looking in the mirror at my skin because I'm like, this looks amazing. How did I go so long without having this product in my collection? This made my skin look in a way that I didn't even think that my skin could look with like a liquid highlighter like this. I didn't even think this effect was possible. I'm blown away by this. I love it. I need to continue wearing this all the time. So what I'm wearing on my skin right now, which this is the perfect combination that I need to wear every day, is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, which I just reviewed recently and I'm obsessed with. So I will have my review video of that linked down below. So that foundation paired with this highlighter, amazing. I'm obsessed with this combination. If you've tried this before, I know it's a very popular product. I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But if you haven't tried this yet, I definitely recommend it. It's not a product that at first sight I would think to purchase, which is why I'm so happy that I got this from Ipsy, and why Ipsy is just so fun, because it gets me to try out products that I wouldn't normally buy, but then I end up loving. So this is definitely a product that I would repurchase, but I wouldn't normally choose this because I would just see like, oh, like a light pink highlighter. Oh, that'll just look like too like pink and dramatic and shimmery on the skin. But then that is not at all what it does. It just looks perfect. And I think that this shade would work on all skin tones too, because it doesn't actually have like that color to it really. It's more all about that shine and dewiness. Wow, oh, I'm so excited with how my makeup is looking. Really excited to wear this out tonight. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.